तो इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ हाउ टू बिल्ड अ परफेक्ट समर वार्डरोब बेस्ड ऑन योर लाइफस्टाइल। एंड ये कोई हॉल वीडियो नहीं होगा, इसे तुम थोड़ा इंफॉर्मेशनल वीडियो टाइप समझना। बट आई गारंटी दैट आफ्टर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो यू नो व्हाट आइटम टू प्रायोरिटाइज टू बाय फर्स्ट, इवन विद लिमिटेड बजट इन हैंड। लाइक श्योरली तुम ऐसी सिचुएशन में आओगे जहाँ पे तुम्हें मल्टीपल प्रोडक्ट्स बाय करने हैं बिकॉज यू फील लाइक योर वार्डरोब इज इनकम्प्लीट when the important time comes. You want this piece or that piece. So ये वीडियो देखने के बाद तुम्हें ऐसा फील नहीं होगा. So make sure you keep watching till the end. And before we start, hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's get started. Main problem क्या है पता है? लोगों के fundamentals ही clear नहीं है. Like guys want to buy more jeans even though they have 2 or 3 good pairs of jeans, and they still want to buy it despite not having even a single pair of tailored fit trouser, just because they think that कोई ऐसी situation आएगी नहीं for like next 2-3 years where they would want to wear formal. So why waste their money buying something which they won't wear for next 2-3 years? So let's invest our money in something which is trendy, which even our friends want. Let's buy jeans. Don't be guy like that. Focus first on fundamentals. That's why we want to talk about the first level of clothing, the fundamentals, the basic, the essentials of the summer wardrobe. Now मैंने wardrobe को 3 टाइप की स्टाइल के हिसाब से डिज़ाइन किया है. First being formal for guys, those who go to jobs or office. Second is casual, which is for guys who goes to school, colleges. And third is for the guys who spend most of their time in their home space, like freelancer हो गया वगैरह. So ऐसे guys के लिए third segment. Now before we start, I want to make sure it's very clear to you that do not just follow one type completely. Do not make that your wardrobe. Like for example, if you're a job guy, you don't want to make your wardrobe completely look like formal guy. I mean, yeah, it's important. Maybe 70% of your wardrobe would comprise of this formal essentials. You'll prioritize it first because job is important. But you'll also hang out with your friends, you'll also chill out with your family outside sometime, and also you'll spend some of time at your home. So rest of the 2 things are also that much of importance than the formal. So keep that in mind. If that's very clear to you, let's get started with the first wardrobe, which is a formal wardrobe. First item in our wardrobe is a tailored fit trousers. You should have at least 2 of them. And ऐसा मत करना कि you'll buy multiple chinos rather than having a tailored fit trouser. Even if it's one, stitch one. सिलाओ उसको. chinos का ट्रेंड चला गया है. chinos तुम्हारे पे अच्छे नहीं लगेंगे. Now colors, इसमें colors पे तुम कोई भी जा सकते हो. Go with your instinct, go with what you like. Some good options are like charcoal grey हो गया, beige हो गया, navy blue हो गया. So you can go with all of that. Second thing is stitched shirts. 3 of them at least you should have in a wardrobe which matches with the trousers which you have bought. The next item will be polos, which is again a top which you should have as a variety to give yourself to wear instead of shirt. What you want to keep in mind while buying formal polo is that keep it minimal, keep the color basic, and rather than focusing on pattern like vertical stripe वगैरह, you want to focus more on texture if you want something different. वरना तुम बेसिक में भी जा सकते हो. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि पोलोज कैजुअल वार्डरोब में नहीं आएंगी. इट विल ऑल्सो कम इन कैजुअल वार्डरोब एज वेल. इट्स इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट देयर एज वेल. सो सारी चीज़ें उल्टा कर देना. Focus on pattern. Fourth thing is should have at least one blazer or a tailored fit pair of suits. So according to your budget, you can go stitch one suit or you can buy a ready-made blazer. Fifth item would be loafers, the footwears. Now pairing loafers अच्छे लगते हैं. Now with the texture, you can go either with leather or I would say try suede. This time you should have at least one pair of loafers, right? So ये तो हो गए formals के essentials. And now let's talk about the casual wardrobe. So our first item is t-shirts. T-shirt में at least you should have 2 pairs of slim fit t-shirt which hugs your body well. Color is for you to decide. In fact, I would say don't go with white or black. Go with any color which you like, because why not? Now at least 2 pairs of oversized solid color t-shirts, because that's new normal, right? So oversized is something which you definitely should have. A third thing is have at least 2 pairs of graphic t-shirt. थोड़ी funky t-shirt भी रखना, because you'll go to college. Don't want to wear basics every time. So something funky like acid wash वाली t-shirt पहन सकते हो. ऐसी भी 2 t-shirt तुम्हारे पास होनी चाहिए. हाँ, समर है तो लेयरिंग के लिए जैकेट तो नहीं पहनोगे, but layering is a very important part of fashion. So shirts become a very important part of your wardrobe. तुम उसको लेयर भी कर सकते हो, तुम उसको डायरेक्टली पहन भी सकते हो. So killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Now shorts में you can go with the normal collar वाले shirts like pinstripe shirt. उसको भी तुम लेयर कर सकते हो, डायरेक्टली पहन सकते हो. या तो तुम क्यूबन कॉलर वाले शर्ट्स में जा सकते हो. उसमें भी बहुत सारी वेराइटीज है. लाइक यू कैन गो विद एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड शर्ट्स, यू कैन गो विद फ्लोरल प्रिंट वाले शर्ट्स, यू कैन गो विद सॉलिड शर्ट्स, बट कीप दैट इन माइंड कि वो वर्सेटाइल हो. उसको डायरेक्टली भी पहन सको जीन्स या शॉर्ट्स वगैरह उन सब के ऊपर, और तुम उसको लेयर भी कर सको ओवर टैंक टॉप. एंड हैव एटलीस्ट 2 शर्ट्स इन योर वार्डरोब. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट बॉटम्स. बॉटम्स में अगर बैगियर आउटफिट की तुम्हें टेंशन नहीं लेनी है तो यू शुड हैव एटलीस्ट 1 पैराशूट पैंट्स. एंड उसमें अगर स्ट्राइप वाली पैटर्न होगी एट द साइड्स और थ्रू आउट द पैराशूट पैंट्स, एंड इट वुड लुक वेरी कूल लाइक दिस पीस फ्रॉम Everdion. And there are multiple pieces over this website, so make sure you check this website. And you can also go with this piece from Workers Corner. It's also absolutely lovely. Now fourth essential is cargos. Now मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं how important this is, how versatile this is, and you should also have at least 1 of them in your wardrobe. Now let's move on to our next item, which is jeans. Now you should have at least 2 pair of jeans in your wardrobe. Now I know कि बहुत सारे options है. There are distressed jeans, there are straight fit jeans, there are baggier jeans, there are cargo jeans, there are different washes of jeans like acid wash, vintage wash, shaded wash. There are multiple colors which look good as well, like blue की shade होगी, black की shade होगी, तो कौन सा buy करें? हाँ, इसमें मेरा simple फंडा है. First I select the tops which I want to keep in my wardrobe, because वो थोड़े कम expensive होते हैं rather than bottoms. First I select the tops which I like, और उसके pairing और जो भी jeans मेरे को अच्छा लगे जो उसके साथ जाए वो मैं ले लेता. So you can follow that as well. Now let's talk about footwear. Footwear में I want you to have 2 types of footwear. Both are sneakers. One is a flat foot sneaker and other one is chunky sneaker. Flat foot sneakers में you would expect me to say कि white sneaker है तो versatile है, सबके साथ जाता है. But I know most of you white sneakers सुन के पक गए होंगे. And it's not like you restrict yourself to buy white. You can buy beige as well. It's equally versatile. You can buy black as well. It's also equally versatile. Now let's talk about chunky sneakers. Chunky sneakers थोड़े sports shoes जैसे लगते होंगे, but इनका aesthetic अलग होता है. I don't know why, but guys forget or they don't understand how important this is, because they want to wear a baggier outfit. They want to wear baggier jeans, baggier parachute pants, but they don't want to match proportions by wearing a baggier sneakers. They'll just wear Sambas or any flat foot sneakers, thinking that will look great on them, but that's not the case. So chunky sneaker में if you have the budget, you can go with the Asics and the New Balance. They make some good quality chunky sneakers. Now second, if you have a limited budget, you can go with Westside. इनका aesthetic मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगा, even better than the Asics and New Balance. So check them out as well. Now there are other brands like HRX as well, which make some good quality chunky sneakers. Now colors which go well with most of the baggier outfits is beige, black and beige. ये 2 colors सबसे versatile है इस segment. Now next let's move on to our comfort वाला wardrobe. कंफर्ट वॉल्यूम में फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी होगी कंफर्ट. तो ऐसे क्लोथ्स होंगे जो तुम्हें कंफर्ट एकदम अलग लेवल पे प्रोवाइड करें, और ये सारे कपड़े ऐसे होंगे जो घर पे भी पहन सकें. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ फर्स्ट थिंग विच इज़ लिनन शर्ट्स. लिनन शर्ट्स इज़ नॉट लाइक एक कंफर्ट वाले वार्डरोब में ही आने चाहिए. ये कैजुअल में नहीं आ सकते या ये फॉर्मल में नहीं आ सकते, बट कंफर्ट इज़ लाइक द बेस्ट थिंग दैट दिस शर्ट गिव्स. सो रिलैक्स फिट में अगर तुम फुल स्लीव वाले लिनन शर्ट लेते हो देन दैट वुड बी द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑप्शन. हाफ स्लीव नहीं कहूँगा मैं, इवन दो इट्स समर, बिकॉज हाफ स्लीव अच्छे नहीं लगते. फुल स्लीव्स को तुम फोल्ड करो, बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे। वाइट इज अ कलर दैट यू कैन बाय, बट कलर इज अप टू यू कैन बाय एनी कलर यू वांट। नेक्स्ट आ जाते हैं सेम लिनन पैंट्स एंड linen shorts. Should have at least 2 linen pants. Shorts is optional. The next item is sweatpants. Now, as you know, apart from linen pants, sweatpants is something तुम्हें equal level का comfort provide करता है. So you should have at least one sweatpants जो थोड़ा versatile हो ताकि most of your outfits के साथ जाए. Now let's move on to shorts. Shorts में there are 3 types of shorts which you can choose from. First is a sweat short, वो cotton वाला material, वो sweat absorbing होता है, बहुत comfortable होता है, soft होता है. Second is linen shorts. Third is a basketball short, which is more for guys who wanna go with street style kind of vibe. You should have at least 2 shorts in your wardrobe. Let's come to footwear. Now footwear में there are 3 options that you can choose from. Either you go with Crocs, either you go with German sandals like the Birkenstocks wale sandals, and third is you go with slides. Now apart from these all, there are 2 segments which is common for all of them, that is accessories and the active wear. भले तुम घर पे काम करो, तुम कॉलेज जाओ या तो तुम ऑफिस जाओ या जॉब करो, active wear is something that you need because you want to keep your health in check, right? So active wear में first important thing is having a dry fit t-shirt with the sports material. Like dry fit means जिसमें होल्स हो ताकि तुम्हारी बॉडी हीट थोड़ी बाहर जाए, उस टाइप की टी शर्ट्स होनी चाहिए एक तो तुम्हारे पास. सेकेंड थिंग इज अ शॉर्ट्स सेम मटेरियल की लाइक द टी शर्ट, ये भी तुम्हारे पास होनी चाहिए. एंड द थर्ड थिंग विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज दैट यू हैव सेपरेट स्पोर्ट शूज अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर फैशन शूज. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट एक्सेसरीज. Similar with activewear, this is a necessity for all 3 types of lifestyles. Now first thing you can have is a watch. The strap watch हो गया, leather strap watch हो गया. You can have at least one of them. Second is chain. You should have one chain and 1 या 2 pendants. So तुम बीच में अपने आउटफिट के हिसाब से उसको मॉडिफाई कर सकते. थर्ड थिंग इज अ ब्रेसलेट. ना ब्रेसलेट में तुम मेटल ब्रेसलेट भी ले सकते हो या तो तुम लेदर ब्रेसलेट भी ले सकते हो, बट वो स्लिम वाले, ना कि वो चपड़ी वाले जो बड़े हुए होते हैं. नाउ फोर्थ एंड लास्ट थिंग इज रिंग्स. रिंग्स भी तुम्हारे आउटफिट में अच्छी लगेगी. So have at least 2 of them so you can mix and match with your outfit. That's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next video.